Shifting gears to the financial world, Wall Street is on edge as investors digest a fresh round of economic data. The mood in the markets has turned cautious, with traders watching every headline for clues about what's next. U.S. markets took a hit after the latest inflation numbers came in higher than expected, sparking fears that the Federal Reserve might keep interest rates elevated for longer. The sell-off was swift, with tech and consumer stocks leading the decline. Meanwhile, in South America, Brazil's Bovespa index is bouncing back, buoyed by swings in commodity prices. Iron ore, soybeans and oil are driving gains, as global demand remains strong despite economic headwinds. But analysts are warning that the good times may not last. Recession risks are rising, and many are urging caution as the global economy faces a complex mix of inflation, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical uncertainty. Even the tech giants, those household names that have powered the market for years, are feeling the pressure. Shares of major U.S. tech firms have slipped, as investors worry about slowing growth and regulatory challenges. But it's not all doom and gloom. In the world of science and technology, there's a discovery that's turning heads and rewriting what we know about the very ground beneath our feet. Scientists in U.S. labs have uncovered evidence that the ancient core of the North American continent is literally dripping, a process deep underground that could reshape our understanding of geology and the planet's evolution. Don't worry, this isn't something you'll feel on the surface. The phenomenon is happening miles below, but it's a world-first discovery that's already making waves in the scientific community. Researchers say this finding could help explain everything from earthquakes to the formation of mountain ranges, and it's prompting a fresh look at how continents have shifted over millions of years. While scientists dig deep, the energy sector is reaching for the sky. Clean energy is on the rise across the Americas, with solar and wind power installations breaking records. The transition to renewables is accelerating, as governments and businesses invest in a greener future. From rooftop solar panels in California to massive wind farms in the Midwest, the shift is visible everywhere. Last year, solar power helped push global clean electricity generation above 40% for the first time, a major milestone in the fight against climate change. International energy conferences are buzzing with optimism, as new technologies promise to make renewables even more affordable and efficient. But the picture isn't all rosy. Despite the surge in clean energy, fossil fuel emissions are still rising, driven by industrial growth and increased energy demand in some regions. The challenge ahead is clear: how to balance economic growth with the urgent need to cut carbon emissions and protect the planet for future generations. Climate activists are keeping up the pressure, demanding faster action from governments and corporations alike.